Customers will start to notice sneeze guards popping up at Jewel-Osco stores, adding a layer of coronavirus protection at cash registers, service desks, pharmacy checkout counters, and Starbucks terminals. The stores will also install tape on the floor of checkout lanes and other areas to mark off 6 feet for social distancing. They have suspended self-service options like soup and salad bars. Jewel-Osco announced special hours for seniors and others vulnerable to COVID-19. Those are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 7 to 9 in the morning. Katie Johnston for CBS Chicago.